How long would it take an initial deposit of $4,800 to grow to $6,000 if it were deposited into an account that offers an annual interest rate of 1.63% compounded monthly? Okay. Because we have logarithms under our belt now, we can formally solve this without using an intersect command in the calculator. So since we're assuming that money is being put away once, we will just use compound interest. A is the amount in the future. We want 6,000 in the future. P is how much we have now, 4,800. Our interest rate is 0.0163 as a decimal. Compounded monthly means 12. And we don't know how long, so we'll say 12t as the exponent. We'll begin by dividing both sides by 4,800. And per our previous conversation, if you watch that video, you can reduce the left-hand side, but do not write it as a decimal. I don't think it's a pretty number. Is it a pretty number? Oh, it is a pretty number. Okay, so this one I will allow you to write it as a decimal because it terminates, meaning it doesn't go on forever. It's not like 1.3333. But because it terminates, we can leave it as 1.25. I'm totally fine with that. If it did not, please write it as a fraction. All right, so what we are trying to solve for is t. T is currently located in the exponent. To get it out of the exponent, we need to turn it into a logarithm. The base of the exponent is the base of the log. So this is not a pretty base. And our argument is 1.25 equals the exponent 12t. And to solve for t, we'll divide both sides by 12. Oh, why did I not just copy and paste that? That would have been so much easier. This is taking forever. Oh, I didn't even leave room to divide by 12. Did it. Equals t. So again, we needed logarithms because we needed to solve for something in the exponent. All right, so to get this into the calculator, let's make it look pretty. So let's get our fraction going. And not only that, we'll do math. And if we scroll up, we'll get log base. So we can make it look exactly how it looks. And I'll type in 1 plus. I'm not going to put a fraction in here because I think that's overkill. But you totally could. 163. And then divided by 12. Then I'll hit over here and I'll say 1.25. And then I will put in 12 down here. That's nice. Hit enter. So in approximately 13.68, remember T is in years. So in 13.68 years, our investment of $4,800 will grow to $6,000.